Welcome to the Witch's Cauldron. This is Paula. You'll notice that my introduction is a little bit different today, and I didn't start with my normal Merry Meet. That's because this is kind of a serious subject. Today, when I am recording this, is Ostara, March 21st, 2020. It's Ostara in the Northern Hemisphere, welcoming the spring equinox, and it is Mabon in the Southern Hemisphere, welcoming the autumnal equinox. Many pagans are including a candle ritual in their Ostara ritual and celebrations tonight, or Mabon. Tonight at 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Savings Time, many pagans all over the world will be doing rituals and lighting a white candle for peace, healing, protection, and leadership during these uncertain times. We know that when enough people get together with a common theme, raising energy for a common intent, that great change can be effected. No matter what your belief is or what spiritual path you may walk, whether you're a white worker, a green witch, someone who walks the left-hand path, the crooked path, whether you're Christian, Muslim, Jew, Hindu, Buddhist, it matters not. Doesn't even matter if you're an atheist or an agnostic. I'm asking you to please take time tonight, 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Savings Time, March 21, 2020, to light a white candle. Please say a prayer of protection for those who are out there still working to keep essential services and necessities going. Protect our medical personnel, protect our first responders, protect everyone around you. Send healing energy to those who have already contracted this virus, and send comfort to the families who have lost people and family members to this deadly virus. As I said, it doesn't matter what spiritual path you walk, what God you call your God, what goddess you call your goddess. It doesn't matter. I'm just asking you to please light a white candle tonight, March 21st, 2020, 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time in the U.S. That would be 7 p.m. Pacific in the U.S. And join pagans around the world in sending out these healing energies and energies of protection. I'm not going to sign off my normal way because I think that's kind of disingenuous considering the subject. Because this isn't a Merry Meet subject. But I do hope that we can all come together for this one purpose. And I'm going to leave you with a little bit of a parting thought. If you have neighbors who are elderly or disabled, please do a kindness and check on them. Make sure they have what they need. If you're well and healthy, even cook them a hot meal and take it to them as a gesture of kindness. Do what you can to help your neighbors and your community out. Don't clear off the daggone shelves. Leave the medical supplies for medical personnel. don't try and order N95 masks for you. Number one, they have to be fit tested to get a proper fit. And number two, you don't need it. Medical personnel need those. Our first responders need those. So please do what your country's health organization has asked you to do. Practice social distancing when you can, and reach out to those that you can help. And if you have extra, share. Don't be a douchebag and clean the shelves off. There is no reason for you to hoard 910 rolls of toilet paper. That's all I'm going to say on that subject. But I do ask everyone to please, again, light a candle tonight and send up energies to heal and protect and cure this virus. So with that, my friends, brightest of blessings to you all, and to my pagan friends, blessed Ostara, each and every one, or blessed Mabon. Bye.